Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Jasmy video updates. So the shoelaces are off for the Jasmy and we are now trying to see what exactly can happen. So Bitcoin is looking bad, which tells me Jasmy can be ready to make its journey all the way down to a technical target of this triangle, and so far we are actually below that levels. Yesterday we talked about the EMAs, and look at how the EMAs are really like absolutely, they're glued to the EMAs. Like Jasmy is not even getting above the 10 on the daily. It's really stuck there, and it has been heavy. The yellow line that I just showed you has been heavy on Jasmy. Now you got two targets coming down. One is this triangle target, which is down here. One is the left shoulder head and the right shoulder target, which takes it all the way down there. So this is on the daily time frame, and if you want to go down there, it's going to take a couple of days, potentially next couple of weeks as well, before you do come down and end up playing the technical target of the head and shoulders. And it's a little bit of a it's a little bit of a problem for people who are invested. I get it, but it is that's what I do see, by the way. And right now let's talk about the 4-hour time frame, because the 4-hour time frame again. Here we go. Support number 1, resistance there, come down, support here, go up, resistance there, go down, fake out, move up, resistance, come down, went up, finally lost it, failure of the retest. And I told you need to get above this level to continue higher, and now you get rejected here. So that basically has only one answer to that, and that is to come down and meet that target. Invalidation is simple. Invalidation is, again, come above to this area. That's when you get the invalidation. If you do end up going back up to that area and you invalidate the pattern, that would be amazing. That's something that you won't see probably right now. That's what I do see. Now let's dive into the weekly, because we're approaching the end of the week. And the weekly does look bearish for so many coins actually, and not only Jasmy. So you do have even this dragonfly doji. Now if you do take out the dragonfly doji, and people have their stop losses placed down here, so if they're going to take the stop losses and they're going to break it down like that, that's going to be a negative structure to continue even lower, because that to me personally isn't something good. So what about the EMAs on the weekly as well? You can see this is for the first time you're crossing the 10 and the 20. You're trying to hold above the 10 and the 20. And I told you, if you keep holding above it, you're looking for the 55, but you never really held above that. Instead, what you do is you failed to hold above the 20 on the weekly, and now again you are still in a downtrend, ladies and gentlemen. You've never done anything. This was just nothing more than a fake excitement, and you're still looking for more drops, in my personal opinion. And the weekly, there's a target on the weekly that I've talked about before, and that is, when you take this bearish rectangle right there, you got a technical target. If I take the trend line, and the trend line goes from the top here to the bottom, and this one actually tells me that Jasmy in particular was looking and was always looking to come down to this price area, which is actually the 1500 level and the 2000 level, which I've been waiting for a long time. I've been waiting to buy here for the long term. My personal buying opportunity seems like this is where I want to buy Jasmy. And I don't know, the target is still there, and I told you before that we still need to get above this area, which you never did. So all you did is maybe you went down, went for the retest, something like this. This is what I do see on the weekly. And one more thing I told you as well is that you do have an Ilya wave theory coming in as for Jasmy, and that is going to be 1, 2, right, 3, 4, and you're looking for that 5th wave, and then go for the ABC correction, bottom out, and then maybe from here pop back up to the all-time high. Who knows? So that's pretty much it for this Jasmy update, and make sure that you join the Discord. So this is the link of the Discord in the description of the video. Just click on that and you're going to be in. It's a one-tap click, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.